Nisambulwinak. I know some of you have been concerned about the Japanese plans to discharge water from the damaged Fukushima nuclear plant into our blue Pacific Ocean. I also care deeply about that. So I have made it my business as a Pacific Island leader to carefully study the information and data on that matter. I spoke to the Japanese ambassador yesterday. Japan has been a close friend of Fiji and also a Pacific nation itself. I am satisfied that Japan has demonstrated commitment to satisfy the wishes of Pacific Island states as conveyed to Japan by the Pacific Islands Forum Chair, the Honorable Prime Minister Brown of the Cook Islands. After reading the report, which I encourage you to also do, I am satisfied that the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA, report is reassuring enough to dispel any fears of any untoward degradation of the ocean environment that would adversely affect lives and the ecosystems in our precious blue Pacific. I am convinced of the seriousness of the IAEA to continuously monitor this process in Japan and of the last 10 years' work to ensure this discharge water will not harm us. The IAEA is the United Nations independent expert body, which is a nuclear regulator and trusted by member states and the United Nations Secretary General with the safety of more than 450 nuclear plants around the world. The IAEA keeps us safe. As Fiji is a proud United Nations member and member state, the IAEA works for us, and I trust their expert judgment, and I'll be monitoring progress also very carefully. Nothing matters more to me than the safety and the security and the prosperity of Fiji and our Pacific Island brothers and sisters. It's my job as a leader to treasure and reassure myself and to reassure you that I am paying close attention to this. With our Japanese friends and other partners, including the IAEA, I will personally be ensuring the highest possible standards of safety and protection for our vast liquid continent. And under my leadership, Fiji will continue to defend our precious Pacific home. Winakawalevu.